Samantha here with Right Away Garage Doors. I'm going to run through some troubleshooting with you if you are pushing your wall station button or your remote and your garage door is not closing but reversing. Want to run through some troubleshooting with you. More than likely, it's going to be an issue that's easily fixed with your photo eye safety sensors. So if your garage door is reversing and not closing all the way, you can simply hold down your wall station button continuously, and that will override the photo eye safety sensors and allow your door to close all the way. So at the bottom of both sides of the garage door are safety sensor photo eyes. On this side is the sending unit. It has a solid yellow light. That light will always be solid. It's not an indication that there is not an issue with the photo eyes. If the yellow light is not on, it means that there is an issue within the wiring. On this side of the garage door is the receiving unit safety sensor. It has a green light on it. Right now, the green light blinking, which is an indication that there is either something impeding the signal or that it is out of alignment. So in this case, the photo eye is out of alignment. You can simply loosen the wing nut, make sure it's facing the other safety sensor photo eye and is all lined up, tighten the wing nut, and we're back to a solidly lit green light, and the door should close.